I'm going to talk about the different things that we see in front of us now. I have my file open, it's saved, and I see four main components of the view I'm looking at right now. For one, I see the main view window, this main area over here. I can move around it by panning with my mouse, so I'm pressing down on the scroll wheel and moving it around. That's called panning. I can also zoom in and zoom out by scrolling in and scrolling out. So panning and zooming is how we're going to manipulate our 2D views. Up top, I see something called the ribbon. The ribbon is just a bunch of tabs with all the various tools that we're going to be using throughout the semester. Notice what the different tabs say. We'll mostly be working with architecture, structure, annotate, and modify. On the left side, we see the Properties tab over here, which shows you the different configurations of whatever you have selected. Right now I have nothing selected, so it's just showing me properties of the floor plan. But if I were to select something like one of these little boxes over here, it gives me the properties of that sort of thing, and we'll get into that more later. Finally, down here is the project browser. And the project browser is just a list of all the views I have. If I navigate from the level 1 floor plan to, let's say, the level 2 floor plan, it'll open it up in another tab, and I can also go back and forth between the two through this tab view. So anything I open through the project browser, I will always be able to access it from the tabs. Finally, let's say, oh no, I accidentally managed to close my user interface. I can't find it anymore. I find people have this problem a lot. All I have to go to is View, and on the very right side of the ribbon, I'll go down to User Interface. And under User Interface, I can just bring back the project browser as well as the Properties tab. So, back to normal.